How to fix performance issues after upgrading to Windows 11. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix the performance issues after upgrading to Windows 11. So if you have upgraded and now your PC or system is giving you performance issues, you can just follow these steps to fix this problem. Open your browsers and search for cleaner for PC. And here you can see that you have these two cleaners. You can download any that you like, but I would recommend CCleaner and CleanMaster. These two are the best cleaners. And then you can just run these on your system and it's going to fix the issue. Or else you can just come to the start option and just restart your computer and that's going to fix the issue. But if the problem still persists, you can just go to the settings option over here. And here you can just turn off the privacy options for your PC. You can just turn off the permissions for Windows and other apps, and that's going to fix the issue. So that's the process that you can follow to fix performance issues after upgrading to Windows 11. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.